In the midst of all the recent Don't Worry Darling drama are rumors that Harry Styles and Olivia Wilde have called things quits. If you didn't know, fans thought Wilde and Styles broke things off because of how little they'd interacted at the much talked about Venice premiere of the film. Wilde appears in the movie and she is the director. Styles is the male lead next to Florence Pugh. Most of the drama surrounding the film had to do with Pugh and Shia LaBeouf, who Wilde claims she fired and he claims he left on his own. Regardless of the Don't Worry Darling drama, it appears that Styles and Olivia are still together. Wilde was spotted at Harry's final show at a sold-out Madison Square Garden. It was his last of a historic 15-show run at Madison Square Garden, an event that your girlfriend would likely show up to if you had one. Well spotted in the crowd of his show was none other than Olivia Wilde. She was spotted supporting Styles by dancing and singing along to the music. All of the fans in the crowd received a feather boa, Wilde included, who rocked it around her neck during the concert. I personally thought things were over because they really seemed to be almost avoiding each other in Venice, so this is news to me too. That being said, even when they were together, I rarely saw anything about the two. Maybe they're just not a PDA couple. Wilde was recently on The Late Show with Stephen Colbert and doubled down on the controversy involving Shia LaBeouf. Wilde stuck with her story of he gave her an ultimatum, either he goes or Florence goes, and she chose Flo. I'm not sure whose side I take when it comes to Wilde and LaBeouf, but I don't think he would be so adamant on making people think she fired him if he was the one giving ultimatums. I'm team Florence and that's it, I guess. But seriously, I think either Wilde and Styles are just not a PDA couple, or maybe it's all an act to get people into the theaters. Regardless of the truth, I wish them the best together, or not. Honestly, I hope the truth comes out soon because I really am dying to know what really went down. Don't Worry Darling hits theaters on September 23rd, so maybe after its release, things will start to come out. What do you think? Are Harry and Olivia still together? Was she supporting her boyfriend at the concert or just her friend? Did they ever break up? Why did they avoid each other in Venice? Tell me all of your thoughts in the comments below.